Hi, and welcome back to our spring update on our Crete Patio. First off, I'd like to say we did make some mistakes, one of them being the pattern we chose. The country stone pattern just didn't fit right. It was hard to walk on, our patio furniture didn't sit correctly, and all in all, it just wasn't a good choice. We are going to be doing some other things with our Crete product, one of them being pouring a new pad for our trailer. We're building a new pizza oven, and
That's it.
that's it.
Watch the video.
Good morning, y'all. Just giving you a little update on our patio that we poured last summer. We did incur a little bit of damage over the winter, but it's not really too bad. We had a little bit of skinning, peeling of our bricks, and I'm going to show you here just what I'm talking about. Some of the concrete peeled back off the top, but it's not bad, and it's an easy fix. As you can see, we did have a few of them. One thing you do not want to do is put any salt on a freshly cured concrete surface. That will result in the peeling of the layers on top to come off. What we've decided to do is we don't really care for the feel under our feet when we walk upon this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a concrete cap over the top of this concrete.
We're still not done with the coloring, but as you can see, once you spray the gray, it starts falling into where the crevices were, and it makes the same type pattern. Kind of cool.
Well, I hope you like the look of the new patio, and to achieve the top coat, the formula is on the bag of cement, and I colored it the same way as I did at the very beginning when we first poured. I used a little squirt bottle with the liquid coloring, and I sprinkled in some dry powdered darker color and kind of watered it in, and then I let it dry real good, and then we put a sealer on this one, and this is what we accomplished. I hope you enjoy it, and stay tuned. We are going to be doing some other home projects, and we'd like you to visit and see what they are.